Welcome everybody, welcome to the 6th episode on the Tipsy series. If you're a new viewer, make sure you go, boom, thumbs up, make sure you subscribe on the channel, you see it? Because a whole heap of mad thing I go forward. And just want to say a shout out to everybody who support the thing. Alright, so let me get personal with you guys for a moment. So you know what, the special Valentine's Day episode. So what I want you to do for me is just a little small favor. I want you to make my recipe and share it with someone. Share it with anyone. It doesn't have to be a romantic partner. It can just be anybody. Alright? So, make we get started. It's a no bake cheesecake and it's gonna be a mad thing. So to start with our Oreo crust, I'm gonna use both the golden and the chocolate Oreos. So basically, to get it like this, what you want to do is you want to just get your Oreos, put them in a bag, in a Ziploc bag, and use like a anything heavy. This is a rolling pin, and just beat it in the bag, and you'll pretty much get the same consistency here. I use a food processor, so if you have a food processor, go ahead and use it. So this is about 25 cookies with the cream in it. That's eliminating the sugar, so you don't got to put no sugar in there, because it already has the cream and stuff from the Oreo cookies. And here you got a half cup of melted butter. I'm just gonna add that half cup of melted butter in. We're gonna mix it all together and then put it in our pie tin. That real quick and simple. So now we can just go ahead, put it in the pie tin and then just even it out. Our pie crust is done, nice and even. We smooth it out, put them on the sides. Now we're just gonna put it in the refrigerator to chill for about 30 minutes before we add any filling to it, just so that the crust can set. For our filling, you're gonna need 16 ounces of cream cheese, anywhere from half cup to a cup of Irish cream, depending on the amount of alcohol you want in there. And we're gonna use some Hershey's syrup. Then also make sure you have a hand mixer so we can really mix in the cream cheese. And also 1 can of condensed milk, about 14 ounces. So we're just gonna soften the cream cheese. Soften it first before we add anything to it. Cool. Now we can put in our Irish cream. So once we have our Irish cream in, we want to just go ahead and put in our condensed milk. So when our mixture is done, looking nice and smooth, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna just put about 2 tablespoons of the Hershey's syrup in it. But we're not gonna mix it in really. We're just gonna put about 2 tablespoons in, give it a little swirl. We're not gonna swirl it too much, we're just gonna put it into our crust and let it set just like that. There we go. We're just gonna put this in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours and it's all done.